into game number 2 of Game for Nature Scrims. We are now in Miramar and with the match starting in 22 seconds time. As always, sit back, relax and enjoy. And with the flight paths taking us over Impala, Los Leones, Chumacera, Minas de Val and Valdemar, with La Bandita, Picado, Paragrid and Monte Nuevo, all reachable locations also. And in just a moment we will see the first teams jumping out of the plane. And here we see Team 19 being the first team to jump, along with Team 15 and Team 20, all heading up towards the junkyard and El Azahar direction. And we are with team number 2 at the moment, the task team, who are going down towards Puerto Pereso, along with team number 10 and the other half of team number 2. We also see teams 5, 21, 12 and 18 jump out heading towards the graveyard San Martin direction, with team 13 and team number 9 jumping later, going towards Chumacera and Minas de Val, with team 14 being one of the last teams to jump, going towards Valdemar. And we are still with team number 2 with Task Andrax having picked up a Mini 14 and an M4. And Task White knocks Profess with a grenade, with NCR Virus getting a knock also. So let's move up there, with Profess being finished off by Sabas 9YT. And more grenades are being thrown as Team 2 continue to fight against Team number 10. And that is YouTube Jokey knocked by Task White, with BM Blitz on top of the mountain at West. And Task White is now rotating around with an M762, with BM Blitz retreating slightly to get a bit more cover behind the tree. And that is it, with Task White taking down a BM Blitz there. And more grenades are still being thrown as Team 2 now go up against Team number 3. And both teams are finding themselves inside the red zone, with the villain being knocked by Task Marina. And Task Marina also knocking SKMD, with Task White taking down SK Botop, leaving SK Hacker, the last standing member of Team 3, with Task Andrex knocked. And Marina gets the kill on Villain and SKMD with a grenade, and getting SK Hacker there, with NCR Loki knocking BTR Loyson and Sig Fury knocking NCR 7. So let's leave team number 2 for the moment and go straight over to team number 6, who are going up against team 13. And NCR Loki has just been taken down by Sig Bot there, with 2 members of Team 13 still standing. Sig Bot is just getting the revive on Loyson at the moment, with Sig Fury getting the kill on NCR 7. And that leaves just NCR Terror standing. And NCR Terror has not yet moved away, with Team 6 giving chase, with Sig Bot, Fury and Loyson on the left hand side, with NCR Terror looking to take cover behind. And that is another Sig Fury being knocked by Terror there, and Terror being wiped out by Sig Bot there, with Fury now being revived by his teammates. And that is Team 6 getting a squad wipe there, with Beast now knocking T4CH and getting the kill. So let's see if we can go straight over there and have a quick look, as we now see Team 8 going up against Team 20, with 2 members of Team 8 down at the moment, with a grenade being thrown. And Chaos is now using an energy drink and rotating around the left hand side to get a better look at Beast, with Beast just managing to run across the road. And is now trying to drive away in a vehicle. Beast has just jumped out and is still being chased by Chaos there, with Beast firing shots and Chaos losing around 80% of health there. And that is Chaos and Vape 77 down, and that is a squad wipe for Team 20, finishing off Team 8 there, with Beast now using a first aid kit and going to loot his wins. And with the zone moving in just behind him, he has 1,338 metres to go to zone, and he will now look to go and get his vehicle and start moving in again. And let's have a quick look at the map, with teams 20 and 19 being the only teams outside of zone at the moment, with teams 2 just on the inside. Team number 6 is by a drop at the moment, with a few other teams inside vehicles. So for now, let's move over to Team 18, which is Team 81, as they go near to Team number 7. And we now see team number 9 going up against team 7 and 4 with team 18 watching nearby. So let's move over to LC Bunny, who is knocked at the moment, along with LC Devil, who's just been wiped out by 7 Rab Rex. And LC Rage has just been taken out by 7 Rab Rex. Also with Sunrise now moving in. 7E XFRZ then gets the explosive knock on a member of 7 Rav, with teams 18 just pushing in now. Team 4 just with CGN just driving by. And that is the end of Rav Russia, with Sunrise Siror getting the kill there, with Rav Rex just in the window. Sunrise almost gets wiped out, with Rav Rex taking around 90% of his health away. But uses Best Baker, and a Molly's now being thrown in. And that is it, with Sunrise Kitsune getting the kill. And Siror just gets taken down by the 81 team. And Team 4 still trying to scope in on Team 18, who appear to be rotating around slightly. And more shots are still being fired from Team 18 towards Team 4, with Team 18 now starting to separate slightly, with 2 rotating to the right and 2 rotating to the left. Sunrise Kitsune has his eyes set on the left right, with Team 11 now pushing in. And the task team getting into a fight with the third team. So let's leave these teams for a moment and go back to team number 2, where we see Task and Rex knocked at the moment, with team 15 on the right and team 12 on the left, and team 2 find themselves inside the red zone, with 81 Sharky getting a knock and a kill on B2K Knight. B for the Abbey gets the knock on HKT, with Sunrise Apollo taking down the UK and Task Marina getting a knock also. We still have Team 12 going up against Team number 2, with 2 members of Team 12 down at the moment, being shot at by B. And that is 3 members of Team 12 knocked at the moment, with Alleged, the last standing member. HKT Tesla is taken down. And Task and Direct prepares a grenade to go in, but doesn't do as much damage as hoped. Another grenade is thrown into the left and right windows of the building, with another going centre and rebounding back. And another rebounded back, which could have knocked Andrex himself. And who is trying to drive away and gets taken down by Task White. And Marina has just taken down B4V. So let's have a quick look over there and see what's going on with Team 2 now going up against Team 5. Task Marina is now driving back to her teammates. So let's leave team number 2 for now and move over to team 18. With Task White knocking TX there, has team number 2 now go up against team 18 and team 11, with grenades being thrown. And Task White is now being joined by teammates, and just misses out on knocking team 81, with Task White himself being knocked by 81 Light Core, with any plan knocking members of team 81 also. And Marina, the entire task force, has just been unexpectedly wiped out by the OTO team, leaving team 4 to now go up against team 18. And we have Sunrise Kitsune, who's just using some bandages. And now that we are 18 minutes into game number 2, let's have our midway game recap. So we are 18 minutes into game number 2. The zone is restricting now. And we have just seen 81 Sharky kill any plan. We are with team 4 at the moment, Sunrise, who have 4 kills to their name. There are still 34 players remaining, so as always it's still very much all to play for. And 81 Light Core has just been finished by Sunrise Kitsune, who has now just been knocked by 81 Dodger. And that is it, with Sunrise Kitsune being taken out, leaving Sunrise Apollo to retreat back to the warehouses. And I'm sure Team 18 will not be too far behind. And if you have a very brief look at the map, you still see Team 4 shooting towards Team 18. But let's jump over to Team 17, 7EX, and see what's going on with them. and Oyoki has just taken out TX Payne, with Team 17 just scouting out the area. They have Team 5 just behind them and Team 15 just up ahead at 30 northeast. But they are in the zone, so there is no great rush for them to move. And Team 17 are still trying to fight with Team 15 over at 10, who themselves are over at 30. And Sunrise Apollo takes down Beast. And CGN Mighty Sky takes down OTO, with Pablo taking down Fuzzy. Kadoz taking down Otozo and Oyoki. And the OTO team have now been taken out by CGN. So let's move over to team number 5 at the moment, as we see them scoping in on Team 17. With B4V hoping to maintain their winning streak from game number 1, with 1 kill to their name at the moment, and 70x Turbo knocks Vape Rocky there, with Black Dorji knocking 70x Turbo with an M24. And team number 5 seems to be trying to block in the exits of this building. And are shooting towards team number 19 at the moment, with Vape HUD taking down 7EX Vane and February taking down Vape HUD. And Black Georgie is now shooting towards the vehicle being used to hide February at the moment, with Nerderu getting the kill on Vape Rocky. And that is Sharky knocking member of 70X, with the play zone getting Nerd no CG. And Sunrise Apollo has just been taken down by CGN. And Turbo has been taken down Vape HUD, with CGM Pablo knocking B4V Manish. And Stigbot has just knocked 70x February with GFN next level. getting the kill out on the big dot. We have CJ and Pablo knocking B4V Abby there. With GFN next level killing BTL Loyson by explosion. And Sig Fix 10 also being knocked by GFN. And Lack Dorji is now throwing smokes towards B4V Hilo with Team 14 over at 360, which is CGN. And Lack Dorji losing his helmet. And 70X Veins takes down GFN. And B4V are now moving outside of their building through smoke to get into the next zone, with Team 14 still towards the southwesterly direction, with Team 6 over at west and northwest, sorry. Georgie has just knocked 7EX February. And with Hulu taking out 7EX Turmo and February there. With Veins taking down B4V Hulu and CGN taking down Sig Fix 10. And that leaves B4V Lack, the only standing member of Team 5 that's left, with Team 14 still over at 250. Team number 6 towards northwest north. And grenades being thrown towards Team number 5. And here we see the top 3 for game number 2, with Team 6 going up against Team 5, going up against Team 14. With B4V Abby taken down again, and more shots being fired, with the playboy and Team 14 CGN moving in, and without Big 10 managing to knock CGN Mighty Sky, and that is the end of game number 2, with CGN getting the win this time round. With 9 kills. We have BTL and Sig in second with 6. We have B4V in third with 3 kills. 7EX in fourth with 5. And Vape and Game for Nature in fifth with 2 kills. If you have enjoyed the stream, please follow the channel with new content added daily. We will be back in just a moment for game number 3. This is Game for Nature Scrims. I am Ab Summer, and we will be right back.